Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to enable Messenger chat heads. First of all, you can open the general home settings in iPhone. After opening the settings, you can just simply scroll down here. Scroll down, now tap on apps at very last, and now you can just simply search here Messenger, and now you can tap on Messenger app. After this you can just simply see the option notifications at the bottom. Now you can tap on notifications and make sure that you enable allow notifications, and after this the issue is solved, and make sure that you take this three option, that is lock screen, notification centers or banners in the alert section, or you can now tap on banner style, and now you can just simply select persistent, and after this the issue is solved. Or you can turn on the messenger chat heads if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.